Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share design to view only in Canva. If you want to share your work so others can see it exactly as you made it without giving them the ability to change or move anything, a view-only link is the safest option. This is especially useful for Shopify store owners who want to show mockups, ads, banners, or layout previews without risking accidental edits. Here's how to set it up clearly and confidently. Start by opening the specific project you want to share. Make sure you're looking at the correct design file, since the sharing settings apply to the file you currently have open. This is important if you work with multiple versions or similar designs, like different product promos or seasonal graphics. Once you're in the project, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is the hub for everything related to permissions and link sharing, so all access controls live here. In the sharing panel, look for the access level. You'll see an option that controls who can open your link. Change this to anyone with the link. This setting ensures that anyone you share the URL with can open the design even if they don't have access to your workspace or even a Canva account. If you see wording like restricted, switch it to the option that clearly says anyone with the link can access. Next, right next to that access level, you'll find the access control. Click it and choose Can View. This is the key step. Can View means people can open and look through your design, but they won't be able to edit, rearrange, or delete anything. This keeps your layout, branding, and content fully protected. You might also see other choices like Can Edit or Can Comment. Make sure you select Can View specifically so there's no risk of accidental changes or feedback cluttering your design. If it already shows Can View, you're good to go. Once those two settings are in place, anyone with the link and Can View, you're ready to share. Click Copy Link. This copies the exact view-only link to your clipboard. You can paste it into an email, a message, a client proposal, or a project management tool wherever you need to share it. The recipient will be able to open the design and scroll through every page, but they'll be prevented from making edits. That way, what they see is exactly what you intended, which is ideal for approvals, presentations, or internal reviews. A quick recap to lock it in. Open your project, click Share in the top right, set the access to anyone with the link, set the permission to Can View, then copy the link and share it. That's all you need to create a secure view-only design link in Canva. This simple setup protects your work while making it easy for others to review it, giving you peace of mind as you share designs for your Shopify store or business.